What's up, guys? El Patronn here from Brooklyn Mitsubishi, and this is our new headquarters, okay, in Brooklyn, Kings Highway, right around the corner. We are excited. We got the grand opening coming up. You guys are invited to come on down and check out the new location. So we're super excited. We just got it done in under 30 days. So a little bit more tweaking here and there will be finished. So I can't wait to show you guys the grand finale and the final product. So we have all the content in it. So, you know, it can happen to you guys, okay? You got to attend my Automotive Game Changer. Log into the website, automotivegamechanger.com, and that's how we get it done. So 2019 could be your best year you ever have. So you have to attend this conference. You got to come in and find out what it is that can take your business to the next level, guys. Little investment you can make, it can make a huge difference. So El Patronn approves this message. Let's make it happen. 2019, let's get it. I'll see you guys in December 3rd, all right? Don't be cheap.